In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $300 a day with affiliate marketing. And this is possible because I have done this myself and you can do this as a complete beginner as well. First thing you want to do is to come over to impact.com, and this is one of the biggest affiliate network out there where you can connect with top brands in the world and promote their product, and they are going to give you an affiliate link. When people purchase their product using your affiliate link, you will get paid a commission. So once you come over to this platform, all you simply need to do is to click on "Are you a partner?" So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can see various ways you can partner with this affiliate network. So you want to come over here as an affiliate because, as I mentioned earlier, you want to partner with big brands where they are going to give you an affiliate link to promote their product, and when you make a sale, you get a commission. So you want to make sure to click on affiliates. So if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, like I said, partner with brands your audience will love. Thousands of brands are looking to work with affiliates like you. As you can see, these are big brands right here. You can see we have Adidas, we have Allstate, we have Lenovo and all that. All right, so you can find more brands if you want to do that, but the first thing you want to do is to sign up to the platform, and all you then need to do is to click on the "Get Started Today" button. So once you do that, you'll be able to create an account on impact.com, and once your account is created, your dashboard should look like this. But if you are not seeing this, you want to make sure to come over to where it says brand, and you want to click on find brands, and it's going to bring you to this page. But what we are going to be doing today is very different. You want to then come over to the payout model. So if you come over to the payout model, all you simply need to do is to scroll down, and you want to click on the type of payout you want. As you can see, we have call duration, we have leads, we have sales, we have download, we have app installs as well. But you want to come over to the call conversion, which means all you simply need to do is to get people to make a phone call, and you will get paid a commission. And as you can see, this platform is willing to pay you $15 for just getting someone to get on a phone call with their platform. All right, so you want to click on this platform here. So once you do that, you want to come over to where it says details, and if you scroll down, you are going to see the various resources they've provided to you, which you can use to promote this website. So you want to come over here and check out their website. So if you do that, this is going to help you know what website you are going to be promoting. As you can see, this platform helps people build websites that delivers results. So which means we are going to be targeting businesses because all businesses out there want to make sales, right? As you can see right here, more visibility, more visitors, and more leads. So if you come back to the affiliate resource page, as you can see, you can come over here to click to see what their product is all about. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see, they specialize in building websites. As you can see, they are going to do all the writing, all the design for you, and also they are going to make sure you get found by your target audience. And as you can see, their website works well for mobile and desktop devices. You can generate leads, maximize ROI, and definitely, as you can see, they are going to build this website for you by professionals, which means you can copy the link to this video and use it to promote their product. So now that we know what this website is all about, and we know the people we are going to be targeting are small businesses, people who are looking to grow their online presence and make money promoting their products. Okay, so all you then need to do from here is to click on apply to get your affiliate link from Ebu. So once you click on apply, you are going to get more information about the partnership. As you can see, if you get people to sign up an online form on their website, you are going to get paid $15. And what this means is if people come over to the website and they click on the "Get Started" button, it's going to bring them to this page, and if they fill this form and they click on "Take the first step," you are going to get easy $15. And now, as you can see, you are going to get paid extra $50 to $100 if they are able to close that client you provided to them from this online form. Okay, and finally, as you can see, you are going to also get paid $15 if the client make a call to this platform. So once you come over here, all you simply need to do is to click on apply, and you will get your affiliate link. And now the second step is finding these small businesses, and we are going to be taking advantage of artificial intelligence like ChatGPT to give us a list of small businesses we can target. So if you come over to ChatGPT, which is absolutely free to use, all you then need to do is to type in, give me a list of small local businesses. And if you do that, it's going to provide you with a list of small local businesses you can use to promote this platform. I'm going to be taking the dry cleaners as an example. So once you do this, then the next step is to go over to Google and you want to look for small businesses. All right, so as you can see, you want to type in something simple like this: dry cleaner near Lexington, Kentucky, United States. But you can target any other country of your choice, but you want to make sure to work with only tier 1 countries. These countries usually have higher purchasing power because they can easily purchase the product we are promoting. So if you don't know which state or city to target, you can simply come over to Google and ask Google to give you all the list of states in United States. And if you do this, it's going to bring you to this website where you're going to see all the states in United States. And you can see I chose to work with Kentucky, but feel free to target any state of your choice in the US. But I don't recommend targeting a whole state. You want to make sure to target a specific city in that state. This way you are going to have lesser competition and you can make a lot of money targeting specific cities within that state. That is why I've chosen to work with Lexington in Kentucky, United States. If you don't know how to find the cities, you can always use Google as well. List of cities in Kentucky. So if you do that, it's going to bring you to this website where you can find all the list of cities you can target in Kentucky. Now, if you do that, you'll be able to come over to this page and you are going to see all small businesses who are offering dry cleaning services. So you then want to make sure to look at the number of reviews the top businesses are getting. As you can see, the top business here has over 60 reviews. Look for businesses that have under 15 reviews. Usually these businesses are struggling with getting sales, and definitely we are going to be helping them build a better website to compete with these top businesses and make more sales for their business. Right, so if you scroll down here, you can see this one here has 14 reviews. So if you click on this business, so now we want to look for their website. So if you come over to their website, as you can see, they have a basic looking website. We can definitely recommend Ibu to help them build a better website, which in turn is going to help them get more clients and make more money as well. So you want to make sure to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and this is where you are going to find their email address, because this is how we are going to reach out to them. You want to look for 10 to 20 businesses that we are going to be reaching out, help them build their website so that they can rank higher in the search results. The next step is sending them an email. I highly recommend to use a domain to do this, because regular email providers like Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail and all that will only end up in the spam folder of that business. I highly recommend to use a custom domain for this. So you can come over to Namecheap to get a custom domain. And now you can see, if you type in something like websitebuilders.com, you can purchase this domain for $8. However, if you don't have $8, you can scroll down and you are going to find even cheaper domain you can buy. As you can see, this one, webbuilder.site, which costs just $1. Once you buy this domain, Namecheap is going to give you an email address which you can use to reach out to these people instead of using the regular gmail.com, which is unprofessional and will always end up in the spam folder of these businesses. So the next step is then sending out an email to these people. And as you can see, I have a script already, which I'm going to leave down in the description of this video, where you can just simply copy and paste the script and start sending emails to small businesses like this. And I can assure you, you'll be making money if you do this correctly. So I'm going to copy the subject of this email, then I'm going to paste the body of this email here as well. So if you go through this email is basically letting this business know we can help them build a higher converting website for them, which is going to rank on Google and help them get seen, which is going to also make them more money as well. And now once they go through this email, they are going to see this section which says, we are happy to discuss your business goals via phone call. And keep in mind, this platform is going to pay us $15 for people just getting on a phone call with them. So now all you then need to do, like I said, once you sign up, you're going to get your affiliate link. You want to then simply copy that affiliate link, and all you simply need to do is to highlight this section like this, and you want to come over to where it says link. Okay, so if you click on link, this is where you then want to paste in your affiliate link from Ibu. So once people click on this link, it's going to bring them to this website where they are going to see their phone number. And once people place that phone call, you get $15. And if they also come over at the end of the day to click on the get started button, which is then going to bring people to this website, and if they sign up, you get additional $15. And if people eventually close the deal, you are going to get paid an extra $50 to $100. Just repeat the same process with any of these businesses, and like I said, make sure to target tier 1 countries because these countries tend to have higher purchasing power, which is going to give you a lot of conversions compared to other countries. So if you enjoyed this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen right now for another easy way to make money with affiliate marketing.